welcome to Henry's Train Crash Theatre number 5.
Yeah.
Whoa, crash.
Do it again.
Henry, what's that down there?
Dog.
What's that?
Dog.
A doggy?
Yeah.
What's the doggy called?
Huh?
What's the doggy called?
That one.
Yeah, what's its name?
Yeah.
Mabel, that's right.
Me got a Mabel.
Yeah, you've got a Mabel, haven't you?
Yeah.
Is it Henry's Mabel?
Yeah.
Who else has got a Mabel?
2.
2 Mabels.
Yeah.
Who is Mabel's mummy?
Me.
Not you, well you for this one, but for the real Mabel, is it Alison, Auntie Ali?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like Auntie Ali? Yeah. Good boy.
I want to put it on again.
Yeah, make it happen, Henry. Uh-oh.
Oh, my God.
No.